Some people seem naturally inclined toward happiness, while others struggle to find it no matter how hard they try. This raises an intriguing question. Can we control our happiness, or is it determined by forces beyond our grasp? The philosopher Soren Kierkegaard suggested that happiness is inherently tied to our relationship with the infinite and the finite. In his existential philosophy, Kierkegaard explored the tension between our desire for eternal meaning and the limitations of our human existence. He argued that true happiness could only be found by embracing this tension, by recognizing the absurdity of life and choosing to live with passion and commitment in spite of it. This existential approach suggests that happiness is not something we can fully control.